When you're busy, it's easy to eat the same thing every day, but this habit prevents us from consuming all the nutrients we need to stay healthy, especially under stress. So today, engineers, we'll talk about essential nutrients, where to find them, and how to engineer a diet that helps us thrive. A balanced eating pattern includes all the essential nutrients, called essential because our bodies cannot make them. We must get these vitamins and minerals from food or supplements to support maintenance and repair of body tissues and systems. So let's explore where to find these nutrients and how to effectively combine them. Eating a rainbow's worth of fruits and vegetables over the course of a week provides the vitamins A, C, and K necessary to support healthy vision and skin, a healthy immune system, and strong teeth and bones. Diversify your proteins by adding seafood, eggs, seeds, nuts, legumes, and soy products to provide the iron, B vitamins, vitamin E, magnesium, and zinc that help mitigate the negative physiological effects of stress. Dairy foods are good sources of vitamin D and calcium, especially for young adults who are still growing and building peak bone mass. If you are lactose intolerant, you may be able to handle yogurt and some cheeses. Whole grains are rich in the B vitamins we need for energy metabolism. Breakfast cereals can provide many of these nutrients, but just watch the sugar. So how do we fit all of these nutrients in, especially with limited time and access to fully stocked refrigerators and salad bars? Here's a roadmap for your food adventure. First, plan ahead. Taking time to plan when, where, and what you'll eat saves time later. Time you can spend finishing that pea set. If you cook for yourself, planning ahead will save money and waste less. Second, hack your old standbys. Top your pizza with extra peppers, mushrooms, olives, and spinach. Stir some veggies into your spaghetti sauce or your macaroni and cheese. The options are endless. Finally, travel the world without leaving your kitchen. Asian-inspired stir-fries, Mediterranean salads, and veggie-filled burritos combine a wide variety of vegetables, grains, and proteins. So, engineers, treat your taste buds to a diverse diet to thrive year-round. Plan ahead so you can put a rainbow on your plate all week long. Add some new life to everyday meals by trying new proteins or stirring in a serving of veggies. And have fun already. Trying new foods with an international flavor will add pop to your plate. For more health and wellness tips, check out mitpe.mit.edu.